This user guide will show you how to invite applicants on the Lumina applicant tracker. First, visit www.lunalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then, use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina's services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. Select the position you would like to invite applicants to. You will now see the positions dashboard. Click on the Sharing Settings button to continue. Click the Copy Registration Link button. You will now be able to paste the link in any correspondence you have with your applicants in order for them to take the questionnaire. Thank you for listening to this user guide on inviting applicants to a position on the Lumina applicant tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.